Imagine if your pension wasn't just a safety net for your future, but also a driving force behind building homes, supporting local businesses, and funding crucial government projects. Sounds ambitious, right? Well, that's exactly what Rachel Reeves, the Chancellor, has proposed. She wants to revolutionize pensions in the UK by creating massive mega funds. The idea is to merge local government pension funds, totaling around £360 billion, into these giant funds. These funds would then invest in major projects like housing and local economies to help them thrive. On paper, it sounds like a game changer, but not everyone is convinced. In fact, some of the UK's biggest banks, Barclays, NatWest, Lloyds, and Nationwide, have come out strongly against the plan. They argue that while the idea of mega funds might seem appealing, it could hurt savers instead of helping them. Why? Because the real focus, they say, shouldn't just be on creating large funds or lowering fees. It should be about ensuring that investments are safe, diverse, and built to last. While they're not completely against the concept of mega funds, they warn that the government's plan is too risky and lacks crucial details. Key concerns include how these huge funds would be managed without becoming too complicated to succeed, and what would happen if they weren't properly diversified. Without addressing these issues, experts fear the funds could fail. And it's not just the banks raising alarms. Angus Thompson, who manages North Yorkshire's £4.6 billion pension fund, has expressed concerns that this plan could essentially mortgage workers' pensions, using their hard-earned savings to fund government projects. The government's goal, however, is clear. They say this plan will unlock billions for infrastructure, drive economic growth, and help people save more for retirement. Reeves even called it the biggest pension reform in decades. But critics are questioning whether this is really about boosting the economy, or if it's just a way for the government to tap into those huge pension reserves. So, what do you think? Could this be the solution to Britain's economic challenges? Or is it a risky gamble with your future savings? The debate is far from over, and it's one that we all need to pay attention to.